Hi, I'm Georgia Foy, fashion eyewear specialist here at ReadingGlasses.com. I am excited today to talk about a collection many agree to be the world's finest folding frame collection, Slimfold. You would never know by looking at these modern designs that Slimfold has actually been manufacturing these now classic designs for over 30 years. Innovative Japanese designers got it right the first time, and we are all the beneficiary. All Slimfolds have a unique feature that enables a truly personalized fit, a 4-position adjustable nose bridge. I just simply love the way these look on. They're fantastic. Now, let me show you how elegantly and simply Slimfolds nestle into a handsomely brushed aluminum case. This case is only a 1/4 inch thick, thus Slimfolds' name. Watch this, I feel like a magician. Slimfolds are so well crafted. I'm just amazed at how I just did that. That is so easy and quick and simple. I can stick them in my pocket. We have customers that are still using this same pair for over 20 years. Of course, every few years we update their lenses to their newest needs, but Slimfolds represent the best of elegant Japanese design. You'll find them comfortable and convenient for many years. To find your pair of Slimfolds, visit us at ReadingGlasses.com.